In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email account in Siteground. This process is straightforward and involves a few key steps that will have you up and running with your new email account in no time. Let's dive right into it. To get started, open your web browser and head over to the Siteground website. You can do this by typing in world.siteground.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Siteground, where all the magic begins. Now look to the top right of the page and you'll spot the login button. Click on this button and you'll be taken to the login page. Here it's time to enter your account credentials. So go ahead and fill in your email and password to access your Siteground account. If you've forgotten your password, there's always an option to reset it, so no worries there. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, you want to click on My Siteground account. This is where you'll see a variety of options related to your hosting account. Now focus your attention on the menu and look for the Websites tab. Clicking on this will bring up all the websites you have associated with your account. Choose the website for which you want to create an email account. After selecting your website, it's time to access more specific tools. You'll want to click on Site Tools next. This section of Siteground offers a comprehensive suite of tools tailored to managing every aspect of your website, including setting up emails. Within the Site Tools menu, you should see the email option on the left sidebar. Click on it to unveil its features. We're almost there. In the email section, you will see an option labeled Accounts. Click on Accounts, and this is where you'll be creating your new email address. As you're on the Accounts page, look for a button that says Create Account or something equivalent. Click on it and a form will appear. Now let's fill in the necessary details. Enter the desired email address you want to create. This is typically something like yourname@yourdomain.com. You also need to set a strong password. It's important here to create something secure. Think of a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered all the required details, double check to make sure everything is correct. Finally, once you're satisfied with your input, click Create or Create Account. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new email account with Siteground. Your new email is ready to use and can be accessed through any standard email client. Always remember, if you ever run into trouble or need further assistance, Siteground's support team is available to help you out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.